Started. Hey guys, Skip here. Got the field, got the Cessna 150 out here. Got the field all to myself, and I mean, check it out. It's not really much of a wind, maybe five or 6 mile an hour. Not too bad. Anyway, we're gonna fly the Cessna tonight. Catch a nice little evening flight. Try to keep it out of the sun. Right. Nice bench, huh? They just built these. The Paul Urquhart. Cool guy, good guy. Seems to be really knowledgeable about all this stuff. Kind of helped put all this stuff together. He and Mike Schultz, and a lot of the volunteers. I guess a lot of the guys. I guess they all pitch in and help with this. I'll be one of them. Probably help with the cutting of the grass and stuff like that. Kind of know some stuff about that, so I might be able to help them out. All right, let's check our control surfaces. I'm gonna have to taxi out there to take it the other way because the wind's coming with me right now. Okay, right, up, left, up, down, and power. Grass is a little long. I know they're gonna get it cut probably for the weekend, but it's Wednesday. Taxiing. Don't know if I did that right or not. Okay, check to the left, check to the right, look at the line. Taking off right to left. Just practicing, guys. That sun is blinding. That was no flaps takeoff on that one. And I need to get that in here a little bit closer. Oh, the sun is wicked. See if we can get down below that sun. Well, just above it. I think maybe we'll stick out here until I get my sight back. That sounds like either a loose prop or a lot of balance. May have to check that. This thing's been sitting for a year. Thought I checked everything over pretty good. Did not put a wrench on the prop, which is something that should do, unless I want to lose another prop assembly like the Carbon Z Cub. I got a little cross component going here. No flaps. No flaps, guys, going that fast. Or that slow, I should say. Unreal, huh? And let's pour on a little steam here. I can't really see too well, guys. That sun is just tearing me up. I don't know how the camera's going to do with this. Almost a flight line violation. Still kind of buzzing the flight line. I won't do that when there's other people here. Now, this is an old battery, guys. I set the timer for 5 minutes, but that's with the 5,000. And I've only got a 4,000 in this. So I'm going to have to be real pretty strict. I can already see it's getting a little low on the power. It's a nice flying plane though, guys. The Carbon Z Cessna 150. Still a pretty popular plane. I think I got this one last year. About the same time maybe. Man, I can't do anything crazy here because I can't hardly see. Okay, it says it's time to land. They say we just put some flaps on here, some landing flaps. Let's just see if this thing lands itself. Maybe a little rudder input. Little rudder input. Uh-oh, getting a little wobbly. I might have to help it out a little bit. Oh, damn that sun. We'll take that. Short landing spot. I had to be kind of precise. Oh yeah, we're mowing grass too. I don't think I might have to wait till they cut the grass out here, but to tell you what, guys, it is a lot nicer. You can't see the wheels, but you can see the feet, or the wheel cowls, or whatever the hell they call them. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed your flight, guys. We'll catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, let's try it again. The wind just changed a little bit. Let's see. Oh, this should work. Let's do a flap takeoff. That was half flap. Wow. That surprised me. And I've flown this plane. That was only takeoff flaps. Flaps are off. A little bird here. This is a fun plane. It's okay to fly over here, just not past the tree line. Sun. It's getting down there a little bit lower now. If I keep it up higher, I can see it. A little. Still not the best. Probably should have waited. The sun could have gotten down a little lower. I probably had a prettier sunset flight. See what happens when I just put the brakes on. Fly sideways. That's dead stick, guys. Full flap. Flaps off. Let's bring it in here a little closer. What a smooth flyer. Can't go wrong with this airplane. Do a nice slow pass here for you guys. We could have done a little better than that. Just wicked when it comes across the path of that sun. It's approaching stall speed, guys. Punch out here a little bit. I think we got about a minute here left. She do a push-up? Oh yeah. It says it's time to land. We got a 5,000 or 5,200 actually Electron Pro 6S in this one. It's also a few years old, but it seems to have a little more pep than that old Admiral. I've got that Admiral Pro is over 3 years old though, so I can't really complain about them. Seems like it's still got enough for one more pass. Yeah, there we go. And we'll just set up for our landing. Take it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm not going to mow the grass coming back this time. I'm going to go pick it up. Have a good evening. We'll catch you this weekend. Hopefully see some more pilots out here next time around. It's twice now I've been here all by myself. I really figured on somebody being here tonight for sure. Oh well, next time. This is Skip signing out. Happy flying, guys.